Hey guys, Makayla from Ox Trailers here. Today I'm going to run you through this Pro Series hydraulic tipper and what makes it a reliable heavy duty work trailer. This trailer features a 3 metre by 2.1 metre tray fitted with a front headboard and the 450mm high sides as well for added capacity and containment. All right, let's have a look at how the tipping system works. So the controls are securely mounted on the drawbar, powered by an onboard battery that charges through an Anderson plug and is connected to your tow vehicle. So to operate the tipper, you've got the isolation switch here, just switch it to the on position and then use the controls on the side of the drawbar to raise and lower the tray. These controls are housed within the C-section chassis, keeping them protected from the weather and damage for reliable long-term use. Lowering the tray is just as simple, just hold the button down until the cylinders fully retract and then switch the isolator back off. At the rear, this customer has added the 3.5 tonne ramps, along with the integrated ramp storage, keeping everything secure and out of the way. With a payload of around 3 tonnes, this makes it a really versatile multi-use trailer, perfect for carting machinery, equipment, firewood, dirt, whatever the customer needs around his properties. And that is the Pro Series hydraulic tipper, built to make the hard jobs easier and the easy jobs quicker. If you want one working for you, reach out to the team today.